Today we're going to draw a circle of fifths. This is a really useful thing to be able to do. If you go through these steps a few times and get really used to drawing this pattern, you're going to be able to draw one lickety-split and then use it to figure out key signatures, scales, chords, orders of sharps and flats. So let's do this. To start with, we're just going to create our 12 points. So we're going to start by drawing a plus sign, relatively big so that you have enough space, but enough space to work around as well. And then in each of these quarters, we're going to split it into two segments. So not right down the middle, but we're going to split it into two segments in between. So one like that, and then one like that. And then in the other section, same thing, one like that, and one like that. You'll see mine is quite messy. That does not matter. Once you've got this set up, you've got your 12 points, which makes sure that you won't miss any of your keys. Then we're going to start at the top with C. Usually easy to remember, no sharps or flats. Most of you might already know that. And then we're going to go up in fifths. So we're going to go C to G as a fifth. If you're not sure how to count that, C, G, D, F. And if you're not sure how to count that, C, D, E, F, G. We're counting in fifths like that. So then to D, A, E, and B. Now stop. Go back to the top and start going down in fifths instead. So if you go down a fifth from C, you get to F, then you get to B, then you get to E, A, D, and G. Now something isn't quite right yet because we've got two of many of these keys. We're going to add the flats. And we're going to add the flats from 6 o'clock down the bottom all the way to 10. So flat here, there, 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 and there. And that is your complete circle of fifths. I find it faster to do it this way, adding the flats afterwards rather than thinking about perfect fifths all the way through, but that is another way to approach it if that seems easier to you. So that's a circle of fifths, a major circle of fifths that is. Just practice loads of them now so that you can do them faster than I did just there.